Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, your graphics card is not supported with error code FH205, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here graphics settings, you're going to click on to add desktop app here, you're going to go to your Forza Horizon 6 games folder, so the default location should be in your C drive, program file 86, Steam apps, common, Forza Horizon 6 here. You're going to add the Forza Horizon 6 exe into this list, find the exe in here, so here it is, click on it, go into GPU preference, set it to high performance. After that, close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to update your graphic card's drivers to the latest ones. So you're going to open up your web browser, go on to nvidia.com. I'll show you Intel and AMD afterwards. Click drivers, select your graphic card series along with your model and operating system. Click find then, and then it will start looking for your driver. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to install the drivers on your computer. Now onto Intel, go on to intel.com, click on to support here, download center, you're going to click on to graphics here, you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750 for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer, and now onto AMD, go on to amd.com, click resources and support, drivers in. You're going to click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, click your operating system, download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of your game files here. And after that, now you should be able to play the game and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.